Starting your Skyblock can be pretty daunting because there is many options, and I'm going to talk you through that. You have lots and lots of options. However, in my opinion, Sky Factory 4, the original, is the best option. If this is your first time playing, maybe the tutorial if you want some help, because whilst there are other cool places that you can spawn with really cool side effects, one of the things to think about is that you're going to have mobs spawning everywhere. For example, Lost Cities, every time you spawn in a dome, there's going to be about 60 to 70 other mobs that are going to try and kill you in that zone. And it's quite hard to get basic stuff when you've got that happening. They're even down on the ground, they're waiting for you, they spawn very quickly in Skyblock. So, in my opinion, to start off, you need to go onto a normal Skyblock, Sky Factory 4 or tutorial like so. If it is your first time playing, make sure Prestige is disabled because that is hard mode. We will make some videos about Prestige one day, but today is not that day.